Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Jenkins on your local PC. Jenkins is a CI/CD tool. You can install the Jenkins controller on your PC. Okay, to install the Jenkins on your PC, in my case, it is a Windows operating system, but I want to quickly spin up the Ubuntu WSL. Just click on, and this is the Ubuntu. Here, I want to install the Jenkins on my laptop. To install the Jenkins, just go to my GitHub repository, and here you can find the instruction to install the Jenkins. Just go to the Jenkins CICD and install Jenkins. Jenkins is a Java based application. That's why you have to install the Java on your PC. First, to install the Java, just first you have to update the repository. Okay, for this, sudo app update. It will update your Ubuntu WSL repository. Okay, it is done. Control L, clear the screen. Then you have to install the Java on your machine. As it is a Ubuntu distribution, you can check Java hyphen version. It is not installed. Java is not installed on this PC. To install the Java, you can see sudo apt install openjdk 70. You can use this command. Okay, and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter. It is installing Java 17 JRE. Wait a little bit. It is done. Control L, clear the screen. Then you can check the Java installed or not. Java version. You can see Java is installed on your PC. Then you can install the Jenkins. Okay. To install the Jenkins, just use this command. Copy it and paste it here and hit enter. It is installing Jenkins controller on your laptop and hit enter. Very easy to install Jenkins on Ubuntu WSL. If you want to learn how to install Ubuntu WSL, go to my YouTube channel and you can find the video Linux on Windows. Okay. This is my GitHub profile. Okay. It is done. Jenkins installation is done. Then to check the Jenkins installed or not, just use this and hit enter. It will show the Jenkins is running on port 8080. Go to the open the browser and here you write localhost 8080 and hit enter. It will shows the this screen and administrator password. You need the password, initial password. To open the initial password, just use this command and go to this section. Just copy this, copy and paste it here, and it will shows the initial password. Just copy it, just first select and right click, and then here you paste and then continue. Not now. It is asked to which preference you will choose. Install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. I recommend you to choose the install suggested plugin. It automatically installed the default plugins on your Jenkins. Okay. It takes time to install the plugins in the Jenkins. It takes time to install. It will install the Git pipeline and several plugins, WAF markup, etc. It takes time to install. Wait a little bit. This is my GitHub profile. Okay, you can you can start it and fork it. Okay, it takes time to install. It is near about completing the plugins. Wait a little bit. Done. Then you have to provide your username. You have to set the username password. Okay, here you can set any name. You can use this also. Password you can set as your wish. Then any name you can give. Email. It is not any mail address you can give. Okay, and then click on save and continue, and then click on save and finish, and start using Jenkins. This is the Jenkins window user interface. Okay, to check the pipeline, first go to the new item, and here you just test pipeline. You can any name test pipeline. Okay, and then choose the pipeline, and then click on OK, and go inside. Go just down. Here you choose pipeline script. To test the pipeline, just use this hello world and save, and then build now. Wait a little bit. It is pipeline is running. You can see, and click here, and console output. You can check the success. That means your pipeline is running successfully. Okay, and you can also see the pipeline overview. This is the simple pipeline. Okay, this is the simple pipeline, or you can, okay, in this way you can install the Jenkins on your local PC. Okay, if the video is helpful, please like it. It motivates me to create such a video. Share it, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections. Thank you.